Hey Diamonds, welcome back to yet another video. If this is your first time joining me today, welcome. My name is Eva Tarae. Please do me a favor, click that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, become a part of the Diamond Squad so that you'll know as soon as I drop another video. Now Diamonds, I know I'm a little late on this train, however, I did want to jump on and give you a look with the Juvia's Place and Melissa palette. Y'all know I love me some deep burgundy purplish looking colors, and I'm not a big fan of glitter, but I like this. I'm liking this, so I had to play with it. So Diamonds, if you're interested in seeing how I came up with this look using Juvia's Place and Melissa quad, you know what to do.
Fire flip, she's a boss, she's a bitch. I take that as a compliment. I've been trying not to go off the deep end.
Alright Diamonds, I know what you came here to receive, so off camera I did my foundation, my contour, my highlighting, all that jazz first. To start with my Morphe M433, I took the deepest shade in the quad. This shadow is like butter, like literally melting into my skin. I'm definitely loving this formula. Juvia's Place has done it again, y'all. Now that I have that place where I want it, I'm now going to take the M506 by Morphe and blend out that outer edge. With a precision detail brush, this one actually came from that Sweetie and Morphe collab. I applied the third shadow in this quad, and I just used it to have a nice gradient going up into my brow. Then I went back with the 506 to blend those two together. To highlight my brow, I took a Morphe's highlight pencil. This is like my third or fourth time using it, and I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to get more. Going back to my outer V, I deepened that with that same shadow that I used at first, Modern. It's that deep burgundy purple color. Next, I took my P. Louise base with my M421 brush. Using the lid trick, of course, I carved out my cut crease. Rude Boy is a red, which does not go with the look at all. However, when it starts to dry down on my skin tone, it actually becomes like a burgundy color. So at this point, I'm going to blend it out a little bit with that Morphe's M173, and you'll see it kind of deepen a bit. With a glitter applicator, I did go ahead and apply an adhesive all over Rude Boy. With that same brush, I'm going to apply Extravagant, which is a pressed glitter. at the edge, I blended Perfectionist to the outer edge of Extravagant using my Luxie's 213 eyeshadow shading brush. And then I went back and forth with Modern, Perfectionist, and Extravagant just to blend out that outer third to make them blend seamlessly. Now that I'm pretty much done with the eyeshadow look, I'm going to remove my eye shields just so I can kind of clean things up. And guys, just a side note, these things are excellent. They are a lifesaver. The link is going to be below. I'm going to pick up my I believe that is 433, the one that I used earlier. I'm not using any extra product. I just want to blend out those harsh edges. Onto the lips, I grabbed one of my favorite lip liners at the moment, and this one is by Juvia's Place. Then I used 2 lipsticks from the new collection by Juvia's Place. And there you have it, diamonds. Juvia's Place stays in my pockets. And as you can see, guys, it's for good reasons. Diamonds, as always, take care of yourself, take care of one another. Until next time.